Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the hidden heels on Dress to Impress. So if you go behind the shelf here, there is a hidden room and there will be some heels here you can put it on. There's two toggles for this. Let me just get out to show you guys a little bit better. There's these straps, which is the default, and new straps. I think it's pretty cute even though it's simple. I wish Dress to Impress will release flat shoes soon because I really want them. I know it's not very ideal because how it they walk, but they do have I guess not Converses, but like sporty shoes here that are flat, and boots are flat too. But in the future, I wish they did make cute ballet flat shoes, not the sporty ones. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!